Ever feel confused about exactly what to plant right now? Most people follow a generic calendar, but that's actually why so many gardens fail. Successful gardening depends on your specific climate and USDA growing zone, not just the date on your phone. It's all about your local frost dates and temperature patterns. To make it easy, we've divided the US into 4 regions: cold for the north and mountains, moderate for the central states, warm for the south, and hot for the desert and deep south. Let's break it down month by month so you know exactly what to get in the ground. Here is your regional planting guide from March through October. In March, cold zones start hardy peas and kale. Moderate regions go for lettuce and carrots. Warm zones can start tomatoes, while hot regions are already planting corn and beans. By April and May, cold zones are safe for greens. Moderate and warm regions should move to heat lovers like squash and cucumbers. Always wait for that last frost before the tender stuff goes out. June and July are for succession planting. In the hot south, focus on heat-tolerant crops like okra and sweet potatoes. Keep things watered as the summer sun peaks. August and September are for your fall transition. It's time to plant broccoli, beets, and another round of kale across most regions as the nights start to cool down. In October, it's garlic time for the cold and moderate zones. Warm and hot regions can still squeeze in final rounds of hardy greens and winter herbs before the first frost. Remember, same country, different timing. Following your specific region's cues is the most important rule for a successful harvest. Don't fight your zone, work with it. Comment your state below if you need specific advice for your area, and remember, keep it simple, silly.
If you're looking for more information, step-by-step guides, or simple DIY projects you can actually finish, you can find it all at Imagine That DIY on our website and social channels. If you'd like a fun break from the projects, be sure to check out our sister channel, The Barnyard Frequency. If you'd like to support what we're building, it's completely optional but always appreciated. All the links for Imagine That DIY, The Barnyard Frequency, and support are on the screen below. And remember, keep it simple, silly.